question. Example sum 6.25. Two trees are standing on the flat ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the both trees from the point X on the ground is 40 degree. If the horizontal distance between the X and the smaller tree is 8 meter, horizontal distance between the X and the small tree is 8 meter, and the distance of the top of the two trees is 20 meter. Calculate. First we have to find out the distance between the point X and the top of the smaller tree. First we construct the triangle. This is the triangle. Let me take it as this is A and this is the B. This is the biggest triangle, and here the two trees are standing on the same ground, standing on the same flat ground. So this is C and D. This is the X point. From the X point, both the top of the angle elevation is 40 degree. Both the top of the both tree from the point on the ground is 40 degree. So it inclines both the elevation at 40 degree. And smaller tree, the horizontal distance between the horizontal distance is, this is the horizontal distance, X to the smaller tree is 8 meter, and the distance of the top of the two tree, this is the top of first tree, this is the top of second tree, the distance of top of the two tree is 20 meter, that is BD is equal to 20 meter. We want to find out the distance of point X and the top of the smaller tree. This is the top of the smaller tree. We want to find out this distance and the horizontal distance between the two trees. The horizontal distance between the two trees, this distance we want to find out. And then cos 40 degree is equal to 0.7660 is given. For first question we want to find out the distance between point X and the top of the smaller tree. Let me take it as in triangle XDC. I draw this triangle separately. This is 90 degree. This angle is 40 degree. This is DCX. This is 8. See, this is the angle opposite side, 90 degree. This is hypotenuse side, and the remaining is adjacent side. Now we have to see that adjacent and hypotenuse side. The relation from adjacent and hypotenuse side is nothing but cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse side. The relation of adjacent side is given. We want to find the hypotenuse side. The relation of adjacent and hypotenuse side is cos theta. Here the theta value is 40 degree. Cos 40 degree is equal to adjacent side is CX, and then hypotenuse side is dx or xd, right? Cos 40 degree is given as 0.7660, that is 0.7660 is equal to the cx distance is 8 and then dx, right? I take this dx to this side, 8 divided by 0.7660. Take this term to this side and 0.76 to the another side. Then if you divide this term, we get the value, that is dx is equal to 10.44 meter. The distance between X and the top of smaller tree is 10.44 meter. Next question number 2 here, Roman number 2. See, first one we have find out this. Next we want to find out the horizontal distance between the two tree. Horizontal distance between the two tree. We want to find out what is the distance of AC. So I take the whole triangle in triangle BAX. See, this is the triangle of BAX. I draw here roughly the triangle BAX, right? Here B to X is, here already we have D point, right? This is 20. Now this is dx, we have find out that is 10.44, and AX is in between. Here we have C, AC is we don't know, and then CX is given as 8. See, this is 40 degree. We want to find out this position, right? So angle is here, this is opposite side, this is 90 degree, so hypotenuse side. We want to find out the adjacent side. The relation, the known value is hypotenuse side. We want to find out the values adjacent. Hypotenuse side is known, adjacent side we want to find out. So here we have cos theta is the relation opposite adjacent side divided by hypotenuse side. Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse side. The theta is equal to 40 degree. Cos 40 degree is equal to the adjacent side is AC plus 8. Right? The total distance of adjacent side. And then the hypotenuse side is 20 plus 10.44. That is 20 plus 10.44. Otherwise, we can write it is in the form of BX. Sorry, AX, adjacent side is AX divided by BX. AX is nothing but A to C plus C to X. AC plus 8. And then BX is nothing but B to D plus D to X. That is 20 plus 10.44. Then cos 40 value is 0.7660 is equal to AC plus 8 divided by sum of this term is equal to 30.44. I take this 30.44 to another side. So we get 0.7660 into 30.44 into AC plus 8. When we multiply these two terms, we get the multiple of this term is 23.32 is equal to AC plus 8. We want to find only the AC distance. So I take this 8 to this side. So AC is equal to 23.32 minus 8. Then AC is equal to 23 minus 8 is 15.32 meter. The distance of the horizontal distance between two trees is 15.32 meter is the horizontal distance between the two trees. Thank you, students.